Hello, hi beautiful people. Thank you for tuning in today. Sheila here. What you are looking at in front here is for sale. Do you see that house over there? The plot of land that the house is sitting on is for sale. So let's check it out. The house that is on my right, not the house on my left, but the house on my right. Exactly where the house passes. And then this corridor as well. So this corridor takes you behind to the toilet, yeah, where the toilet is. I'm going to show you, don't worry. I'm going to enter the corridor as well and show you the toilet. And this house here, exactly where the house passes is where the land passes. So the house is we have 30 feet, yeah. We have 30 feet and 30 feet and 25 feet and 25 feet. Those are the measurements. 30, 30, 25, 25. Here in Kitende, yeah? The house is in Kitende, the plot of land is in Kitende. You can buy it and maybe renovate the house, or you can buy it and break down the house and build what you want to build there. Kitende, very, very close to the main road. Of course, I'm going to show you how we get here because, well, you know how we do it here. So, starting from here, this corner there, actually, exactly where the house passes is where the land is passing. And for the measurements, we have 30 and 30 and 25 and 25. Those are the measurements that we have around. So I came here to give you a better view, a fuller view. This house here, this one at the front, not the one behind, but this one, that one, that is the one. Kitende, very, very close to the main road. You are going to see, I am going to show you. And the price is 40 million Ugandan shillings. This week, this whole week, that those people about 20 million mugenda kutusonyiwamu. The crew of 20 million, you are going to excuse us for this week. We are going to resume next week, Busika Vumba and elsewhere. But as for this week, the things that we are showing, 20 million is not there. So this house here, inside there where the boy is coming from, and then outside here with the kadala, yeah, you're going to see as well. So inside here, this is all part of it. Again, measurements are 30 by 30, 25, 25. Those are the measurements. So we do have 3 rooms in here. Then this is how you access the corridor. The corridor that I was seeing from there, yeah. And then you keep on going, you find the toilets. Of course, I have to show you the toilets. Of course, I have to show you the toilets. You know that I show you the things you've sent me for and the things that you haven't sent me for. So this corridor is owned by the house owner. That house, that one. That is the one for sale. Exactly where the house passes is exactly where the land passes. I think we are together, right? We are in Kitende on Entebbe Road. You just branch off a little bit from the main road. Right after Kajansi, Kitende there. Don't worry, you are going to see. So the corridor is owned by the owner of the house, and then these are the toilets. Of course, everything needs renovation and all that. But this is what it looks like at the moment. You remember the other house that I was renovating for our subscriber, for our client? Hey, the house is done. I'll take you and I show you. You remember the one, right? The one that had 2 rooms in front and then behind. I will show you. It is done. We are waiting for people to enter. So anyway, this is this house over here, starting from this corner to the other corner, plus this corridor. And then we are going to go out, and then you see the kadala there as well. And then that will be, those are the dimensions. Again, 30, 30, 25, 25. 40 million Uganda shillings. Yeah. Guys, let me just leave it because I was going to talk about that 20 million gang, but let's leave it there. Very, very close to town. We are extremely close to town. Entebbe Road, you are going to see how we get here. So of course I'm giving you another view somewhere here. I had to stand back here so that you see the entire view. So okay, let's have a look. Do you see over there This bit over here, do you see the lady with the red cup plate, this kadala here, the lady with the red plate is sitting in front of someone's gate. So the mudala on the left, moving like this, that car shop as well is inclusive. Then the other house as well, the one that I was showing you before. So from this mudala going all the way up to the corner of the house, that is how the thing is moving. The front, this is the front, you've seen the back, you've seen the sides, you've of course I have to show you very well, very clearly. This here where we are, this is the road that takes the person for the gate inside. So where this mudala exactly there, do you see where this mudala starts, and then moving forward behind the mudala is the corridor where we were. So this mudala here in front here, that shop over there, and then the other house that we saw originally, that is what is on sale. The house and the land, you can break the house and build what you want, you can renovate the house. All in all, you are in Kitende, you are very next to the city center. So my number is up there in the corner. Of course, you know the drill. My number is up there in the corner. Please reach out on WhatsApp if you are serious about this. But since the measurements are not 50 by 100, this one is not a land title thing. This is a Ndagano thing. This one here is a Ndagano thing, not a land title thing. But nonetheless, I have all the details in my inbox. So please reach out, come to my inbox if you are interested and serious. Then tulabe wanechokola mpola. So I'm going to take you to the main road, starting from Entebbe Road, and then I show you how we are going to get here. So this is Entebbe Road over here. We are in Kitende. We started from Kitende. Somewhere on the right is Quality Supermarket. There on the right. Are you seeing the signpost? Quality Supermarket over there. Then right after Quality, we have Shell. We have Shell over there right after Quality, and then right after Shell we have KFC. But we are going to take the left. When you're coming down from up, you're facing KFC exactly. And then here we are going to branch off from Toto because we have a Toto over there on the left. And then we just go up like this. And then the house will be there. So that is the house. This is the way there. That is the price, 40 million Uganda shillings. 30, 25, 25. Kitende, Entebbe Road. This is Entebbe Road. We are branching up from here, then going up a little bit, and then that is the location. So, guys, if you are new here, please subscribe to my channel. If you're returning, thank you for coming back over and over. I do appreciate you. But if you are new, or you are old, or the voice sounds familiar, or you've been wondering where I've been, it means you've not subscribed to this channel yet, because this is a new channel. The old one was hacked. You already know, because the video is here on the channel. So make sure you do subscribe. Please subscribe to the channel. Drop me a comment. Let me know the areas you'd like to see. And when I get a chance to pass by, I will definitely bring you the area, Let me know the areas you'd like to see. Please like the video, share the video, drop me a comment. Subscribe to the channel. Tutambuze chintu wetu mpola badia, just like you know how we do it here. So this is it. Going up here. This car was branching off, but then it was taking its sweet time. But it finally branched off, and then we're just going slightly up there. And that will be it. That will be it for today. We do have a video showcasing a plot of land in Nakawuka. In case you've not watched it, please check it out. And of course, we have the Nakawuka Road construction update. We have Natete. We have Nalumunye. We have quite a lot going on. Of course, you know, yes, the channel is still new, but we have quite a lot going on. And yes, I still have the Chiboko, and yes, I'm still going to tell you to make the money, because money is the goal. Because you're seeing how expensive things are. Are you seeing the prices of the things? You're there planning your whole entire existence on 20 million. Are you seeing? Anyway, I still have that chiboko, and of course make money, because money is the goal. Protect yourselves, and I'll be seeing you in our next video. So this is it. We have reached. Do you see how close we are to the main road? There we had reached very well. That is how close we are to the main road. And that is it for now. I'll be seeing you in our next video, yeah? Alright, take care of yourselves. Bye-bye. See ya.